Welcome back, everybody. Today we're gonna look at the Bluetti Charge 1, and I'm gonna install this on the Jeep. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do the whole step-by-step process. I might kind of walk you through what I'm doing to the Jeep and get it done, just because we're here on crunch time on trying to get done so we can head out for our trip starting this weekend. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do an unboxing real quick, show you what's inside, kind of explain what I need to do, and then try to get it done on the Jeep. So this should be a quick one today. All right, so what's inside the box? Let's see. Ooh, all right, so let's move this a little bit over here. First things first is we have the actual unit. All right, so we got the unit there. And there's nothing else in the box. This is the last thing. So once we open this guy up, we got a long cable in here with a breaker on it. And then another cable. And then this looks like certification, warranty, instructions, and so forth. So what do we have here? We have a very long cable. One side of this goes to the positive of your battery, your car battery. The next one goes to the negative. All right, so then on the positive side, we have a breaker here. Again, you turn it on, safety. If anything ever peaks, the breaker will trip here, saving you from a meltdown or possible fire. One side goes to the battery, then you're gonna run the cable, and then this side is gonna plug in to the Bluetti Charger 1. If you look on both sides here, you'll have an in. So you have your negative and positive for Charger 1, and here you have your output. The output goes connected to this, and then my Bluetti unit actually came with these connectors. Very smart what they did here. One's a female, one's a male, so when you go to plug it into your unit, you don't accidentally plug the wrong, reverse polarity and cause meltdown. So they're very smart here the way they did this. So these ends, they come terminated. They're very nicely terminated, actually. You'll be able to just open this up, put it in here where it belongs, and then tighten that up. So what I'm probably gonna do here, and excuse me, I've been sick, trying to get better. Again, and you have a bunch of mounting hardware here, so if you wanna mount it to a certain part on the car, you can go ahead and mount it. One thing I read online is to make sure this thing is ventilated, because it does get hot. What some people have been doing as well is once they connect this in their car and they have it running, they actually, you can set how much power it's pulling. Some people don't put it on the full capacity that it can handle. They kind of bring it down a little bit just to keep it a little cooler. So I'm gonna go ahead, and once I get this set up, I'll jump into the app. So with the Jeep, I can cut over to that now, but my main goal is trying to get these connectors from the cabin through the firewall to the engine bay. There's two main ways that I know of to get to the firewall, and I'll cut to the Jeep now and we'll take a quick look at that. All right, so coming up to the passenger side of the Jeep, the first place that I'm gonna try to get it through is here on the passenger side. So if you look here on the passenger side, you can remove this cover. It's pretty easy to remove it. You have these little pins in here. So if you have a plastic trim tool, you can just go ahead and slide it in here and then just pull off little by little. It comes off very easily. These pins, I didn't have any issues with them breaking or anything, just be gentle. So if you look here on the passenger side, there is a little bit of, I guess you can say, expanding foam. If you've never have run anything through it, it'll be sealed. But if you get a very long, I used a very long flathead, or if you have like a fiberglass pole to run cable, you can poke it through there. And then what you're gonna see it come from is on this side. Do I have my flashlight? Yes, I do. So on this side here is my my fish wire, my guide wire. If I come in here, you'll see, I don't know if I can get it on camera. Let's see if I can trim up. It is coming from all the way back there, and it comes out here. So I've heard that this hole is kind of small. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get those terminals through this opening. I'm gonna give it a try. If not, I'll have to do the same thing on the driver's side. So again, coming here on the driver's side, if you pop this panel open, same thing. You get your trim tool, pop it in here, pop this off. There is a rubber grommet. Let's see if I can get it on camera, it's a little dark. So if you see there, my actual rubber grommet came off. But up there, and I gotta zip tie some of these cables up. So you see that rubber grommet right there? So if you actually poke through there, that'll run through the firewall and it'll come out usually around here, this area. Sometimes people have seen it come out through under here. So once you start feeding the cable through, it'll start poking out, things will start moving, you just go ahead and grab it. I want to do it from the passenger side because my goal is to have it on this side and just run less cable, but I might have to do it on the driver's side just because those terminals, I don't want to cut and re-terminate everything. So I may run it through the driver's seat, have it come here along the bottom of the carpet, and then maybe possibly drill it to this side of our deck and just have it here, and then have basically the Bluetti sit here and then the fridge sit right here where it's going to be plugged into the Bluetti. So still messing with it. Once I get it all done, I'll walk you guys through what I did, but this is kind of what I'm thinking of how to set it up. All right, it's starting to get dark, so really quick, what did I do? So I have my cable. You see it under here. I'm on the driver's side. I ended up having to do it on the driver's side. It was too tight over there. This was a lot quicker. This took about 10 minutes to do, not even. So what I did was I fed my my guide cable, I guess it's called fishing cable. I stuck it through the firewall in here. It popped up on the other side. I used electrical tape to tie up my cable to the guide line, the guide wire, and then I pulled my cable through. And once it came out here, I pulled as much as I could out, and I have it laying here. I'm gonna go ahead and connect the positive and negative to the battery terminals, and then I'm gonna zip tie everything up along the back edge, following to the grommet, and then pull any cable that's excess back into the car. From here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come all the way back here. There's an opening for this frame, so I'll probably pull this trim. I'll probably pull this edge trim out all the way to the back. And once I get that done, I'll go ahead and put the cable through the trimming, have it come to the back, and then I'll probably put the unit somewhere here or maybe even down there somewhere. So I'm still trying to figure out where I'm gonna put it, but I have to check how long the cables are that came with the Bluetti to make sure everything connects. So that's what I'm gonna work on next, is just getting everything running, make sure it works, and then probably tomorrow I'll get it all buttoned up. All right, so once we get that plugged in, you also need this cable. So now we have this plugs into this. Just cables on cables on cables. And then this guy goes into this blue cover one. So we pop that in there. There's only one way it goes in, so just finagle it. Things are so much harder to do when you're holding a camera. There we go. We'll screw that on. And then we'll hit the breaker here. And again, I'm gonna hide all these cables and make this all pretty. Let's turn this guy on. And let me turn on the car. All right. So I also set up the app. So it's getting dark out here, so it's going to be hard for me to go ahead and continue recording. But if you like videos like this, like and subscribe and hit the bell icon below to be notified when new videos are posted. So see you guys out there.